Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to use gallery on Redmi A5. So to use gallery, you have to swipe up, and as you can see, there is here an icon of gallery. You click on it, and as you can see, it will show you here all the videos and the photos that you have on your phone. And if you want to delete, for example, a video, you have just to long press on it like this, and after that click on the recycle bin icon, and after that move it to trash. And if you want to share something, you can share it also by long press on it and go and click on the share option and choose with what you want to share that image or video. And if you want to do anything with that, if you want to edit that video, for example, you click on edit and you do all the edit that you want with it and save a copy from it. Those are if you want also to put your photos or videos in folders. You can create a new folder and put some videos or pictures on it, and like that you can use the gallery of your Redmi A5. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.